Alright, the early afternoon is here as we begin the first official week of April. We'll wrap up the first days of April, going to the first weekend of April, that is, the Easter weekend. It is April 3rd, 2026. CN Hayes here, 1356 as I'm coming to you from West Ladysmith. 519 is here with the SD75IACC of the 8329 showing up, helping out with the 5483 and 5424. See what's brought back as we'll lean back and get them. Here we go. So far it's sand loads. Sure enough, this is technically going to be today's S773 81 of the third, no doubt. He's going to get set to Pokegama. I'm sure he's going to drop off the 5483 and 5424 there, so we can come back down as the K564. Turn back to Ladysmith Yard. Here's a rear GPU now of the S773, and it looks like today's total axle is going to be 432. Here's the DP now, it's a dash 9, DP equipped dash 9, and it's the return of the 2204. That last seen second behind the 8007. On the M302. March 21st. Now there it was again. This time handling the S773. So 3x1 for this roll by. We'll take that. So that's going to do it for today's S77381 of the 3rd, and we'll do it for the 75IACC of the 8329 with the 519 power of the 5483 and 5424 second and third, and the rear DPU of the DPU equipped -9 of the 2204. And once again, they'll set out the 5483 and 24 at Pokegama for continuing on the journey to Swan Landing, Alberta, Canada. Starting the journey at Source Energy Services, a warehouser. That is going to do it for this video at West Ladysmith, New Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great afternoon. Have a great Easter weekend. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.